So we have some exciting news to share. Guess who got approved for their first apartment being married? Yay!
We have some exciting news to share.
We do. We got approved for our first apartment.
Greg, yo, this is our 10th take. You know what? We got approved for the apartment.
We got approved.
Woo!
I told my yay wasn't good, but your woo was good. Get out of here. I'm done with you.
Oh.
That feels better.
We're on our way to the new apartment. Don't mind this. I don't know. It's getting worse. But it don't feel like we're moving yet. But we're moving.
It don't.
It doesn't feel like that. So, yeah. A new chapter in our lives.
Driving literally to a new chapter in our lives.
Yeah. Allah is good. Alhamdulillah. Like, there's so much stuff going on right now. So unfortunately we can't move in today. Something with the electricity is not working for us, so we can't move in. But thankfully, because at first they were saying you can't move in, you can't move your stuff in until you get all this, but it's not our fault. So I said, can we at least move the stuff in? I can stay at my mom's house, he could stay at his friend's house, and then inshallah tomorrow we could call him and get it all situated, and then we could come back here. But yeah, we're basically almost done, y'all. We just got like little stuff. We got a plant. This whole thing was full, so that's good. A lot, yo, as much as there's downs, there's always going to be a mercy from Allah. And that was, the guy at first, he was like, do you have a cart to like move stuff in? He was like, no. And then he found a cart in the back. Without that cart, y'all, we would be here for hours. And with the cart, he's able to put like 6 boxes on it. And it's just me and him. I can't carry those boxes. I'm weak. So he will be taking 80 million trips. And Allah is good, yo. Alhamdulillah, yo. As much as I'm frustrated with everything that went on today, that right there, I have to notice, we've noticed as a mercy. And so we forever grateful. We are grateful for that. So, yeah. That's what's happening right now. Hey, y'all. So, it's been a little minute. It's probably been like 2 weeks since we've been in the crib. Obviously still living with boxes, but that's okay. They say take your time, but I really want it to be done. I'm eating some cherries. Cherries are mad good. I want to show you some of the stuff that I got though. So starting with this. So one word that you're going to hear me say a lot is storage, because this place don't have a lot of storage. You know, these new apartments make you want to pay $80 million and don't give you no storage space. Where are the closets? And we technically don't have a traditional like linen closet. We have a closet right there that's for like coats, I would say. So since we don't have a lot of storage, but we have a lot of clothes, I bought these vacuum bags so we could put our stuff in it, and then we could put it. The goal is to get a bed frame that's really high so then we can store things under it. That's what we're trying to do, be smart with the furniture that we buy so then it can double as being cute but also storage space. So we have this, so this one we could put under our bed with like bins and stuff when we get the bed frame. I just bought this runner from H&M. Now the problem is I did not measure it before I got it. So it's a tad bit big, I think, but we're gonna try it. I want it near the bathroom, like the walkway in the bathroom. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it or not, but I can return it in 30 days. So best believe if I don't like it, it's going back. Then we have this big bin full of bathroom stuff. So I bought 2 bins like this, and they're stackable because the drawer that we have in there, the cabinet that we have in the bathroom, it's just like there's no shelves or anything, so we just need to organize stuff more so it just doesn't look like a mess. So I bought 2 of these. They're pretty big, so if we need more we can get that. And then this is the very first thing that I bought, which is this piece of artwork, and it's for the bathroom. It is 24 by 36. It's really big. I put it on the bathroom wall because the bathroom is gonna be like, oh god, the bathroom vibe is gonna be like black, white, and gray. And that just fits with the aesthetic. And I also bought some like towels, gray towels and gray hand towels. for the bathroom as well. So I really want to do the bathroom first, and then I'm going to move to the living room because we don't have a couch yet. So bathroom, then the living room, then the bedroom. Because when we have a housewarming, those are the 2 places that I want to be done. So when people come in, they can be like, oh, you know what I mean? Or not done, but at least something in there, you know? I think I hate it. I think I hate it. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna fill up these. Bins. This is all of the bathroom stuff. Now, like I said, it may not all be coming because it's a lot. Yeah, let's do first aid. We have emergency. Halls. I don't know. Right now we're just eyeing it. This is allergy medicine. Ibuprofen is good. This is what it looks like now. And
Stack them, they can go high.
that's the medicine one. This one right here, oh my god, it's heavy. I'm thinking of just doing hair stuff. Hair and probably like shower gels and stuff. I got this new Fenty hair. It's pretty good. I would say, I only use a deep conditioner right now. I would say that it definitely smells really good. I tried it, but it's okay. I need to try it again though.
I actually do like it a little bit.
Huh?
I do actually like that better.
Pushed in, yeah, but we're gonna pop. So, this is a box of reg sweaters, and we're gonna see how this thing works. This is my first time ever using it. I think this is Greg's first time too. But one thing I really noticed is the temperature difference, which we like. I like it to be warmer. He likes it to be colder, and I'm frozen right now. But little does he know, I'm turning that thing off. I can do it.
There's no air to suck.
Y'all, cooking with Raya is back, okay? So last night I made this bomb chicken Caesar pasta salad. Obviously Greg didn't have chicken, he had shrimp. But here's the shrimp. I already have my chicken. I still got chicken left over, but I have to recook. I have to cook some more shrimp for him, and I'm making some for his friend. Hold on. Here, man. I'm gonna show y'all the recipe. So the key to this recipe, you have to have it, okay? Is this right here? It's called Salad Supreme. You have to have it. I tried it without it. Trash. So you have to get this if you want to try this recipe. If you like Caesar salad, like I just got into Caesar salad, I'm not gonna hold you. Like I've never been a person that really was into it until recently. So, but yeah, it came out really good. Like 10 out of 10 recommend trying it. What is this? Rotini noodles. They're about to come upstairs. They're about to ruin the video. But yeah. The only problem with me and counter space, when I have a lot of counter space, I'm using every single inch of the counter, which is not good. Because right now, it's just like, why do I have all this stuff around? Don't be like me. When I say Greg bodied it last night, he bodied it. You know that meme and that video that be like, a woman be taking one bite and the man be done? That's Greg. He be like inhaling his food. This is how it looks. I don't know why I filled up my bowl like that, like I'm gonna eat everything, but.
Thank you, baby.
Gotta get some chicken, some lettuce, a noodle. A noodle and a crouton.
I ain't gonna lie, this mix is different.
10 out of 10 recommend. I need to try this. What would you rate it out of 10?
Good. 9.
So Greg's mom is gonna buy us a couch. He wants to go couch shopping, even though I sent her a link to the couch, because I have a very specific vision of what I want this space to look. He go by himself and he gets excited because he sat on his ugly leather couch and he likes that it reclines. No, we're not in our grandparents' house. We do not need that. Thank you very much. That's what it looked like. It looked like.
I feel like this is where the compromise is starting at.
Man, this box is heavy. That's what I get. I never want to wake Greg up. I always want to do stuff by myself. And Greg is right in there. Whew. Ten out of 10 wouldn't recommend. We're about to build it. And I actually kind of like building stuff, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I think it's enjoyable as long as it's not hard and it's just like self-explanatory on the instructions. Okay. The other storage cabinet for the bathroom is coming today too. Ooh. I just want to be done at least one room. And I'm building this rack that goes over the toilet. So it's coming together really nicely. It's actually very tall, which I actually like. Yeah, look how cute it is. Ah, it looks so cute. OMG. I forgot to do it before and after for Instagram. Damn. Tight. Anyway, look at it though. It's so cute, it blends in. I cannot wait. So we get the little chest. And I bought this, so that, like I said, the theme in here is black, white, and gray. I bought this thing from Target. And look how cute. I'm so excited, y'all. I don't think you understand. It just looks so cute. Once we get the living room together, it's over. I'm gonna be so, how excited I am right now, it's crazy. But Greg went downstairs to get the other package delivered from Wayfair. Okay, so as you can see, the thing came, and we're gonna try to build it before we go.
So we can still make our beat.
It's coming together, y'all. I'm so excited. It is small, but it's not that small. Just finished building it. It's so cute. It's gonna be where the wash goes probably. Towels down here. I feel like we could fit a good amount of towels, I think. Like, it's so cute. Considering we don't have a linen closet, this is so smart. Shout out to me. I'm trying to think. So we need placemats still. So I'm trying to think if I want to do gray or do I want to do black. We have to change this. Greg still wants this, but I feel like it doesn't go with what I'm trying to. I'm trying to do videos so that we can get free stuff from other brands to put in our apartment and then make a video. The furniture is expensive. Yeah, I love it. I'm gonna see. We're gonna get a bamboo plant probably, because bamboo plants, you don't need sunlight. So I feel like I want to put a plant in here for sure, whether it's up there or on top of here, but probably not on top of here because I'm gonna put towels here. So I feel like just having this rack empty. Let me actually see. Let's see. Hold on. This is the towel that I brought from Target, and I washed it already and stuff. So let's see how it will look. Why is this not even though? I have two of them, so I could put two here, but then it has to be thinner like this in order for me to fit two. Let's see how this looks with both on there. This is with 2. I think I like 2 better than 1. Did you see the one?
I think like 2 better than 1. They're different colors.
No, this is the same towel. I just washed and dried it.
They look crazy.
It looked insane.
They look bad.
They look crazy.
They look bad.
But you cannot dry your body with a towel that's been around the store.
You can't what?
You have to wash it before you use it. But this is Target quality. But anyway, it look like 2 different colors. That's mad funny.